before we start, we are going to start by reviewing rounding. So on your boards, you are going to write which number the number I give you is closer to. So I'll explain it. Okay, here we go. If I have the number 18, which is it closer to, 10 or 20 on your dry erase boards? Write that one down. Which way should the chicken cross the road? 10, 20. 10, 20. On the count of 3, show me your boards. 1, 2, 3, go! 20 is correct. The chicken should cross to the 20 side. Alrighty, here we go. Next one. 21, what is it closer to? Which way should the chicken run? Should the chicken run to 20? Or should the chicken run to 30? Don't squash the chicken in the way. On the count of 3, you're going to show me your boards. 1, 2, 3, show! 20 is correct. You want the chicken to run to the 20. Okay, here we go. Next ones. I'll make it a smidgen harder. 188, which is it closer to? 180 or 190? Which way should the chicken run? Keep your eyes on your own boards, please. 1, 2, 3. 190 is correct. That 8 says keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, next one. 105. Which way should the chicken run? 100 or 110? On the count of 3, show me your boards. 1, 2, 3. Remember that 5 is that halfway point. So by the time it takes the chicken to turn around and run back, he might as well just keep going because he wants to get to that other side. So you're going to want him to run to that 110. Okay, we'll make it just a smidgen harder.
Go ahead.
Okay, 2,777. What is it closest to? 2,770 or 2,780? You told me to, so I did. On the count of 3, show me your boards. 1, 2, 3. 2,780 is correct. You look at the ones place. If it is 1, 2, 3, or 4, go back. 5, 6, 7, 8, go forward. If it's a 0, it stays the same. Imagine that. Oh, here we go. Next one. 2,850. Which is it closer to? 2,800 or 2,900? Round into the nearest hundreds place now. On the count of 3. Show me your boards. 1, 2, 3. That was a tricky one. So if you look at the tens place now, the 5 is like, hey, Mr. Chicken, keep going, keep going, keep going. You're halfway there. So you would go up to 2,900.
I was confused for a minute.
I know. We all kind of are a little bit of confused. Okay, today we are doing a word problem. So today you are going to need these lovely, beautiful math journals.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Missy. That's why I said to take them out. So let's put our dry erase boards and our markers to the side.
Oh, to the side.
Or put them away. And I'm going to ask for you to open up to page 67. That is 6 tens, 7 ones. 67. 67. 6 tens, 7 ones. Follow along as I'm reading this aloud to you. Before we begin, though, notice that it has a unit. Does it tell me what I'm doing for my unit? Add, subtract? No, it tells me what I'm measuring in. Remember, if you don't have a unit, you obviously must be measuring those one-eyed, one-horned, flying purple people eaters, because that's my guess. So it says, Rosa makes an estimate for the addition problem, 322 plus 487. She uses numbers that are close to these numbers in the problem, but are easier to use. Close, but easier. Okay, remember, they're close, but they're easier to solve. Explain Rosa's thinking to a partner. Make a different estimate. So don't use these same numbers she did. Use something else. What close but easier numbers could you use? Write a number sentence, just like this, in the thought bubble to show your thinking.
Wait, like the one she did?
You can't use it. Make a different estimate. Different.
Okay, so do you make your own problem box?
First, you have to explain her thinking and then use the same problem, but make a different estimate. Don't use the same number she did. Got it?
Right.
Okay, I'll give you a couple minutes and then we'll talk about it.